What is going on, everybody? Bullvice89 here, and I'm glad you're back. I appreciate it. Today, we're going to have another unboxing video for you, and I hope you enjoy it. Let's get to it. Today, I'm going to be unboxing the Huion H420 USB graphics drawing tablet kit from Amazon.com. It's $29.99. And I've been looking to get a drawing tablet for quite a while now, and this one my friend got, and I figured I'd try it out. It does come with a 3-year protection plan, or a 2-year protection plan, and it seems great. So let's open it up. So here it is, and let's go ahead and open this up. Get some more stuff in there. Alright, so let's start with this. It comes with its own cleaning kit. That's pretty neat. Let's go ahead and check it out. Let's see what's in here. First we have a cloth. Standard cleaning cloth that you get with any electronics, gloves. This side is textured. Interesting. This is the picture online. Oh yeah, look, it's a brush. That's really neat. Cool. So we have a way to clean it. What else do we have here? Pro 1. This looks like the glove. Let's see if it fits. I have huge hands. Goes like that. Oh, nice. It actually fits quite well. In case anyone out there doesn't know, it's for when you rest your hand on the pad, you don't mess it up while you're drawing. Very neat. Cool. This right here is the carrying case, the bag for it. Go ahead and open that, however that works. This is pretty nice. It's feels like felt, has pockets. Open this up. It's a very nice pouch, little carrying case. Let's go ahead and open this up. Alright, so we have the drawing tablet. It's a little smaller than I thought, but I kind of like that. I like that it's more compact. It won't take up too much space on my table here. What else comes in this box? We have the pen. Has the double buttons. The end clicks. I'm not quite sure what that's for. Set that aside. Comes with the connection / charging wire. Oh, extra little tips. I'm not quite sure what that silver ring's for. Installation disc. And looks like instruction manuals. Very cool. So, here it is. I may do some drawing videos actually showing how it works in a future video. I also actually bought another one on Wish, the Wish app. Kind of like discounted products from China and everything, and I actually wanted to know if I should have got it off of there, because this one, like I said, is $29.99, and the one on there I think was $10 cheaper. I think it was 20 bucks or 15 or something like that, and I want to see what it comes with, if it comes with all the bag and the glove and the cleaning kit. Yeah, my friend highly recommended this, so I figured I'd pick it up. I'm an avid artist, and yeah, I'm excited to try it out. I'll record some footage and let you all know what I think, and I'll do a comparison with this one and the one I got off of Wish. Leave a like if you enjoy these unboxing videos. I have a lot of products coming soon that I will be unboxing, maybe reviewing in the future. Like and subscribe. You can follow me on Instagram, Tumblr, Twitter, Facebook at BullVice89. Just search for it, subscribe, like the video if you want to see more. Leave a comment down below if you've ever used this, or if you recommend a different drawing tablet that maybe I should get in the future and try out, or let me know your experiences if you've ever used this. And there it was, the Huion drawing tablet. I have been using it a little bit. I'm getting better at it. Just a little update at the end of the video here. It's easy to install. It's easy to pick up after a good couple minutes, and I did highly recommend it. I will get the one from Wish.com here soon, and I will do a side-by-side comparison and a review of that one also. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. Follow me on almost all of the social media outlets: Facebook, Tumblr, Twitter, Instagram. Always posting new videos, posting new pictures from my art. Leave a comment down below if you want me to make a video about another product or another video about something else. I'm always open, always trying to make this channel something better. I appreciate you. I thank you for hanging out with me today. Have a great one.